Hello everyone, welcome to a small terrible channel. Today we're going to make a tutorial for the students to know how to join class. Okay, let's start with this. Open your browser, Google Chrome browser, and in there you type classroom.google.com. Okay, so we're going to click go to classroom. And you sign in. If, for example, this is your Gmail account, and click on that plus sign there. Let's go back. Click on this plus sign, then join the class. And you are going to type in here the code that your teacher has given to you for you to join his or her class. Okay, just wait. Alright, so you're in her class now. So you have your classmate already. So you're going to say, for example, God bless us all. Enter. So very easy, right? Very easy. So in the Stream tab, as a student, you will see all the announcement of your teacher. In the classwork, you can see the assigned task given to you by your teacher. And for the people, you can see in here your teacher and your classmates, the name. You can see their names. Okay, so very easy. That's how to join the class for you, my dear students.